Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be showing you a few things that I enjoy doing in Negril, Jamaica. If you're ever in Negril, feel free to check them out, and also remember to like, subscribe and share. Hiya!
Yeah, so we're in this place called Negril. Never been, it's my first time, but you know what I'm saying? Gonna get some food.
You like telling lies?
They say they got things called cocoa bread, aki. I don't know what those are, but alright, cool. Alright, cool.
What is it now?
I mean,
kind of-
aki and cocoa bread.
Cocoa bread!
Crazy.
What would look so nice? The sun nice,
Yeah, it's nice.
So there's a nice look.
I think this is very high.
Huh?
I think this is very high.
I know, right? You smell the lawn? So we are at Skylark Resort, and it has a restaurant called Miss Lily's. Access to the restaurant is free, as well as the beach.
You know when you buy it.
Huh? I know what I buy this. So this is the infamous Chill Pops, and if you're having a bit of a sweet tooth, this is the place for you. It's right down the road from Miss Lily's, and these are popsicles with all natural ingredients. You'll definitely enjoy it. Now, if you're in the mood for some excitement, some vibes, Margaritaville is the place for you. Upbeat music, interactive activities, awesome food, boat rides, parasailing. Yep, that's Margaritaville, and also access is free.
You ready? Give me one beer. Why you rubbing it on me?
Oh, give me that. Oh, Jack.
You are told to do so. Okay? Alright? You ready? Sure, you can just make seconds? Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, love.
Alright, I want your name and where you're from. And what piece of contact information.
My name is Nikki. I'm from Canada.
That's what we're talking about. Alright, honey, what's your name, where you're from? Are you Jamaican? No? Alright. You look like you have the roots in you. What's your name? Where you from?
Takara. I'm from Chicago.
Takara from Chicago. Chicago in the house. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Drink. Come on, girl. Open that mouth. Open that. You're tugging. You're tugging. You're not sipping. Open that mouth and chug that beer, honey. Come on. You're passing seconds. Long time. Come on. Faster. 2, 3. Let's go. Come on. Chug it. Remember, you're not sipping, you know. You're chugging. This is a beat. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. All right. Come on. Come on. Don't spill. Chug it. 2, 3. Let's go. All right. All right. Imagwan. Yeah. 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 Come on. All right. 9 seconds. Come here, Mr. Champion. And there goes the beer champion.
Wow. And after all the hustling, it's good to just relax and watch the beautiful sunset. feed a cow something?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, you
Okay, okay, yes.
Press it when it comes back.
Lovely. How you sell it jerk chicken?
1200 a pot.
Okay.
Go down that side and you drink it.
Yeah, man. We're just waiting on them car to pass.
Yeah.
Kind of scared, you know? Exactly.
Nice, you know?
No, yeah, deserve it, don't. You know, me pining out for the soup all day. Yeah. All day, I want the soup. Yeah, you see, you believe me, don't. Yeah, man, I love that. Respect every time. You know, I'm not gonna leave you out when I come to grill now, right? Exactly. So what is your name? Leroy? Printo.
Yeah.
Alright, Printo with a good soup in the grill.
Jerk chicken.
And jerk chicken. Nice, nice. Very nice. So what are you frying over there?
Festival.
Okay, good stuff, good stuff. So when we were coming today, we saw the pot, and the pot just put on in a cow skin never ready yet. Told the lady that we're coming back, and I guess she never really believed us. So when she said me a while ago, she was so surprised. But the man set me up with the soup. I'm hoping that it's good. I think it is. Based on how things look, I think it is, but I'm going to test it out soon. I literally have cow skin to the brim. See? The brim. My gosh, I love this for me, actually. Love it. Well, this takes us to the end of another video. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment and let me know if you've ever tried any of these, or let me know your favorite things to do in the grill as well. Anyways, thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.